Hey everyone, welcome to Robocraze. Today, we will be talking about 3.5-inch Raspberry Pi TFT LCD display. Now this sits directly over the Raspberry Pi, so avoiding any external connections. We go into the configuration using following command as we want to enable SPI. Our screen communicates to the Raspberry Pi using SPI protocol, so we need to enable it. Now, you may need to restart your Raspberry Pi after SPI is enabled. So after that, we will be updating and upgrading our system. As you can see on the screen, the command is executed. Now for the LCD driver, we are using a Git repository which we will need to clone into our system. So you can see on the screen, we will write the command to clone that repository. We use git clone, which is followed by the git URL. Now make sure that you copy the URL exactly and completely as it is. So you may see there was an error because it was not able to find that repository. Why? Because that is not the complete URL. We missed to write HTTPS. So you have to copy the complete URL. Now it will clone and make a new folder which is called LCD show. Once the cloning is complete, we direct to the folder LCD show, which was just created. So in that, there's a file we wish to run, and it's called LCD, as you can see on the screen, __show. Now, for a few of you, it might not be executed. So you can use this command on the screen to make that file executable, and after you run it, you will see your HDMI goes off and the complete display is shifted to the LCD screen on your Raspberry Pi. Now this is just a small screen but is used like a regular screen with mouse, keyboard and all the interface. You can see me scrolling with the mouse, closing it, and basically it's like using any regular screen. Now, this was the 3.5-inch LCD display for Raspberry Pi. If we wish to go back to HDMI, we may follow the next part of the video. We again turn on the Pi. We will wait for it to boot up first. It's really the perfect credit card sized computer, credit card sized screen combination, isn't it? So yes, getting back to the tutorial, we open a terminal and we again go to the folder LCD show. We'll type the command, and this time the command instead of show has HDMI. We'll go to the screen and see the command once. Now we press enter and you see the complete display is now transferred to the HDMI monitor. Of course, the Pi restarts. So this was the basic working of the LCD screen. You can use it for your projects where you need to monitor the Raspberry Pi desktop and explore more. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.